Welcome back to the channel, guys, and we have learned a lot of tools yet. So today we will not learn any tool, but we will apply the learnings we have learned till now. So I will teach you today how you can make a simple Instagram post using the tools we have learned till now. If you have not learned those tools, you can check out the playlist. I will give the link in description. So do watch the video till end, and I'm going to teach a lot of great stuff because learning tools and implementing is different things. So you will learn a lot in the video. So let's move to my screen now. So we are here at my screen now, and as Instagram is in the ratio 1 is to 1, so I am creating a 1500 by 1500 pixels, 1500 by 1500 pixel file. So now I will going to teach what you can do to create a simple Instagram post. So first of all, let us import an image. To import an image, just go to file, place embedded, and yeah, search for an image. For this video I have thought, yeah, this image is good. So I have imported my image, and now I am going to add a background color. So to add a background color, you just need to go to background and just select paint bucket tool and select a foreground color, and you can just I am selecting the color of the can of monster logo, so I am selecting this color. So now I will going to put this color on the background. So your background color is here, and now I'm going to create a gradient on the background of a little darker shade than this one. This one looks good. So yeah, I'm going to now use my brush tool to apply a gradient and reduce its opacity. So yeah, you can definitely see that this is looking really amazing gradient. So you can create gradient using paintbrush tool like this, and it's a very simple method. For now we are sticking to making Instagram post. I will teach specifically in some other video how you can create gradients. So for now I'm going to make a post. So now you can just add some text here. I can write monster here, and I can change its color or font using font. You can change from here. I've already taught for how to change font in the last video, so you can change your font here, whichever font you love. I think this is looking good. Previous one was better, but let's leave the font style for now. You can manage on your own, and you can also change the color of the font. I'm keeping it of drinks color. So yeah, you can just I'm copying the stuff, copying the text by pressing alt and dragging the same. I am pressing alt and dragging the same so that I can copy the same size text, and you can just add it here. So there are new layers. You can select all layers and scale them and place them in center, and yeah, we are ready with a simple very basic Instagram post. What you can add a different and a lot of things you want, but for now I have taught only these much things. So we are creating things which we are creating a Instagram post from the tools which I have taught yet now, and in the future I am teaching a lot more. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit a bell icon so that you will get a notification as soon as the video gets uploaded. So that's it in this video. So now we can we have learned how to create an Instagram post, how to create a basic background gradient in this video. So you can try a lot of stuff and post in my Facebook group. The link for the Facebook group is in the description, so you can post a lot of stuff in my Facebook group. I will review them also, your designs. So that's it in today's video. You can subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit a like button if you like the video, and you can also follow me on Instagram. The username will be on the bottom right. And that's it for the video. So this is the last video before New Year. Next video might be on the New Year or maybe the next day. So bye guys.